In today's topic, we'll learn about Assamese ka phala. Ka phala, Assamese consonant. Ka, kha, ga, kha, unga, pratham sa, ditya sa, bargiya za, ba ja, nya, murdana ta, murdana tha, murdana da, murdana dha, murdana na, dwentiya ta, dantiya tha, dontiya da, dontiya dha, dontiya na, pa, pha, ba, pha, ma, untus tha ja, ra, la, wa, talaiba ha, murdana ha, dainta ha, ha, kya, doi bindu ra, thoi bindu ra, ya, khandatta, anuswar, visarga, chandrabindu. Let's read once again. Ka, kha, ga, kha, unga, pratham sa, ditya sa, bargiya za, ba ja, nya, murdana ta, murdana tha, murdana da, murdana dha, murdana na, Dointia the. Dointia the. Dointia the. Dointia the. Dointiana. On to the next page. Pa. Pa. Ba. Pa. Ma. Und está ja. Ra. La. Wa. Talaibaha. Murdhinaha. Dwentiyaha. Ha. Kya. Doi bindura. Thoe bindura. Ya. Khandatta. Anuswar. Viharga. Sandra bindu. These are the Assamese consonants. In Assamese, it is called Assamese ka phala. We will post new Assamese basic videos. Please like, share and subscribe and comment and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any notifications from our videos. Bye bye.